Triad is a chord that combines three notes which are set a third apart. For example, here we see three notes from the bottom up: A, C, E. A to C is an interval of a third, A, B, C. C to E is another interval of a third, C, D, E. So, A, C, E is a triad above the note A. It is made of two intervals of a third going in a row. Here is another triad, D, F, A. The interval from D up to F is a third, and F to A is another third. D, F, A is a triad above the note D. Another triad, G, B, D from the bottom up. G to B is a third, G, A, B, and B to D is another third, B, C, D. G, B, D is a triad above the note G. And so on.